Hi everyone, thanks for coming back for another swatch video. For the first time, I am going to swatch a highlighter palette for you. Let's try it. So I just swatched a palette with a bunch of glitter on it, and my arm is still somewhat glittery. So I thought, well, what else can I swatch? And highlighter palette it is. I got this from a free haul. It's by Tarte. It's shiny everywhere, so there's going to be a glare no matter what I do. I apologize. It says Skin Twinkle Volume 2 down there, so I'm assuming there's a Volume 1. What does it say? Lighting palette. Okay. It says it's a lighting palette. I thought it was an eyeshadow palette, and then I opened it and I was like, ooh. Of course, I'm sure you can use these on your eyes. This was well loved. The former person did, put a little bit of a dip in here. They do have names. Again, everything is shiny, so it's a little hard to see. But let's see how these swatch on my skin. I have light skin with cool undertones, so they're going to show up differently on different people. I did put some concealer down just to try and eliminate some of the possible glitter. But yeah, let's see what we've got. These might be hard for me to describe because, I don't know, I'm kind of bad with metallics, but this one's called Daylight. Oh my god, I pushed way too hard in there. Okay, go lightly because these are shimmers or whatever highlighters you could see from space. That one's called Daylight. This one's called, what are you? Skylight. This is a little darker, and that's how it looks in the pan as well. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, these smell like cake. Wow, I really can't wait to see how they translate on my face. I kind of want to put it on right this second. I think these would light up pretty much any skin tone, although those first two look very white based. This is called Spotlight. Well, why isn't that one picking up as much? This is the most peachy one. This is, I would say, yellow. This is more white. This is peachy, and then this last one looks to be the darkest. Let's see, it is called Candlelight. Not Sandallight, Candlelight. So yeah, that's the deepest. Let me know what skin tones you think these would work for. I know nothing about highlighting on skin tones that are not mine, and I would love to know more about it. But these are gorgeous. I kind of want to use them on the eye or the inner corner as well. I'm thinking about making a highlighter video of all of my highlighters. But I have one of those for blushes, and it's not as popular as individual blush swatches. So let me know if I should just put all of my highlighters. I don't have a ton, but I have more than these four. So thanks for watching this video. These were stunning. I've never used Tarte highlighters. I've used some Tarte eyeshadows before. Have not bought from them, but they are cruelty free. They are a more high-end brand though. It's rather expensive. Very grateful to get this. I'm excited to start using it. Let me know what you think. If you have seen the first palette, since this is a second palette, let me know what's in there. And we will talk to you soon. Bye.